Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, let's visit the plumber's base.
So it's confirmed. Someone's definitely stolen a null void projector.
All this high-tech equipment and you guys couldn't afford a burglar alarm? Psst, what were you guys thinking?
The plumbers have the absolute finest security systems on the planet. There's no way anything could have escaped this room without one of these keys.
Who says anything's escaped?
Ooh. Get in here again to unlock a secret. What? Don't care. Yes, goodbye. Goodbye, bitch. You are misdiagnosed. I don't remember the technique, but that was the one that you were misdiagnosed. Let me remember that. What was the song? Goodbye, wish you were inside. Yeah, so the reason why the style on me, absolutely why I got hit by a boat. Normally, some I mean, I'm able to talk of it. Not I damage the enemy to stay too much. Or that snake. What? Nah, okay. I thought nah. I can shout at it. Okay, so that means okay. Okay, so I can't use any of it. What? So I can't use it. Yes. Yeah. Disable this. Disable. No. Okay. Man got roasted. Man got fried. Man got fried. Man got fried. Okay, man got fried. Man got fried. That was my bad. That was my bad. That was my... Why? Nah, man. That's some BS. That's some BS. That's some BS. Yes. Get this. Yep, okay, but what do I want to do? Man, just power floor. Power floor, right? Power floor. Do this one. Yeah, big stuff. Counter. Power play. Oh, okay, no. Do this. Yes. Oh, वाह डीएनए बूस्ट करेंगे डीएनए इंक्रीज योर मैक्सिमम हेल्थ ओह okay and get it let me yes let me ooh no upgrade available now not fire plum you know what I love me some suction blast love me suction that power flow that's it oh suction blast ooh that was good okay what is breaking things which I don't like to happen. Only this. I thought so. Well, not that I thought so, but I was thinking more of like a wild one situation, but I was wrong. I was wrong. I admit it. What? Mount Rushmore is getting okay, getting bullied. Mount Rushmore is getting bullied. Get bullied. Get bullied. Okay, where instruction blast. Get punched. Get beat. Okay, yeah. So I think the card, no, card is I think down. Just draw, jump, man. Shit, David, fuck this, man. So when it's time to jump, he does not jump, and when it's not, he just jumps off the building. Like, damn, man, what you mean?
Oh, yeah!
Okay, I think I need this. I think I need this here for some reason. Yeah. Shit. Fuck it. Okay, no. Don't fuck this. Oh, I think something is up here. Wait. So how did I get there up there? I think it will. Yeah. So I think the card is here. Shit. Nah, man. Need me card. 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 Don't play like this. Like I'm playing. I'm playing like shit. Okay. It had nothing to do with card. Okay. Don't. Just start to. Nah, man. It is why a board. I think we start with the best bet. Not the not that the best bet, but Ooh, ooh. Yeah, not the best, right? Wow. Good BS. Okay, okay, okay. Now let me break it. Let me break it. I need to break it. Oh, 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 it's popping out. This, oh, these are messy. Now let me do it. Break their noses. Shit, shit, shit. Nah, nah. Can't trust the, cannot trust him. It's not his nature. Okay, not like, okay, nah, man. I suck at this type of things. Why just the game want to give me that more and more? Okay, okay, okay. Shit, 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 shit. Now, best bet is this. No, 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 no. Okay. It gives me.
Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah!
Invincibility. Man, just kill him.
Oh, yeah!
Okay, some of the, what is it, yellow energy drop. Hot head, hot food. I have to turn it. Okay, just follow. Follow. Oh, now we need to go into our dream cell, as Gwen says. Oh, what? Victor? Okay, Victor. Oh, he's like worse version of Slappy Man. Okay, let me give him another Slappy Man. Oh, God, could be now. Not. Okay, okay, okay. Slap him in third. Could be now. One off, one two, one two. Now, man, why? Third. Now, kill it. Okay, what? I have to try. I did read it properly. Okay, I have to, I think, destroy this. What? 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 But okay, now what? Destroy what? Okay, now it's okay. Two at a time will not cut it. I have to do this. Two at a time will not cut it. Two at a time will not cut it. And it's like the worst. I can do one at a time now. What? Shit. No, two at a time is the worst. Okay, four is good. Four is good. And last one. Hmm. Short circuited. Go back to work. Do itself, as Gwen said. But this is hero time. Blast it. Blast it. Yes, blast it. Blast this. Blast this. Okay. Boom. Not enough. Boom. Boom. Okay. And I got boom. I got boom. I got boom. Boom. I am getting hit when I am doing this, so that sucks. But otherwise, I like that skill. Okay, so it's like the thing is, we destroyed most of the things. It should be a lot of things, but I don't know why it's not on. Ooh, fire farm. No. Spin cycle. Hmm. No. Do this, and ooh. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Sucks. Suction blast and spin cycle. Yeah. Punk, yeah. I will punk it in. I will punk it now. Do this and then spin cycle. Wait. The problem is I am getting hit. Only problem is I am getting hit. Nah, man, this is yes. Now it's something else. Then it will be something else entirely. This is something. Yes. First, it was only these, wolf. Then it became the monks. Now it's the wolf monks. Now I don't think it's because it's there, but no, it's over. Wow. Wait. Oh. Ooh, something. Wow. Oh, it's one shorted. Wow. That was good. And boom. Boom. Nah, man. Okay. Yeah. Cleared it.
We're too late. Ghost Freak has taken the ethereal amplifier.
What's that? Some sort of supernatural stereo?
It boosts negative energy to dimensional proportions. Adapted to fit a null-void projector, there's no telling how large a portal could be created. We've got to stop Ghost Freak before Vilgax gets his tentacles on that machine.
How do we stop him?
In all my years of fighting boogeymen, the best weapon has always been the same: information. We'd better get moving. It looks like he's headed to the Windy City.
Windy City. What is the Windy City? Let me know if you know. If you know, you know. Then let me know. Bye bye. Oh, Chicago. Bye bye. Subscribe.